Welcome you all. Today we are going to talk about another idiomatic expression, and that is be in someone's good books. Be in someone's good books, which means be in the good grace of a person or be in favor with him. इसको हम उर्दू में किसी की नज़र में अच्छा होना कह सकते हैं. How we are going to use it in sentences like, if you want to be in the teacher's good books, try to participate more in class. यानी अगर आप टीचर की नज़र में अच्छा होना चाहते हैं तो क्लास में ज़्यादा पार्टिसिपेट करें. So we have used here in the teacher's good books. Here is another sentence. He is trying to get back in his boss's good books by offering to work overtime. So once again we have used this idiomatic expression in this situation as in his boss's good books. So this is how we are going to use this idiomatic expression in these sentences or situations.